Now, my question is for all the panelists, and question is a simple question that is 25 marks which are allocated for speech techniques, that is exaggeration, surprises, twists, humor. How can you work on these speeches while drafting this thing and while delivering it? Means both the concepts. How we incorporate these techniques while drafting and while speaking. Over to speaker Areej. Areej, are you there?
Yes, yes, sorry, the mic was muted. Um, to work on this, first of all, you need to figure out what exactly the topic or the idea of your speech is going to be. And then you will start putting all of your imagination in that speech, and you can put everything, but don't deliver it as it is. You need to sit with a mentor, a very good mentor that will help you to uh, to understand exactly how to write it down, to have all these features that's mentioned in the palettes of the judges. And of course, it's very important. This is something I advise always all the contestants, not only for the tall tale, but for everything. Read the judging palettes, because from there you can start thinking of what the judges are going to give you points for. And it's not only this, like someone can have exactly what the judges want and prepare their speeches like exactly like 100% from what the judges is mentioning in the judging palettes. But if you didn't say it from your heart, you wouldn't reach to others' hearts. So have all these things, yes, work on it with the mentors, yes, but in the end, do it from your heart. Be natural, live the moment, enjoy, with all, of course, these techniques in the speech, in the tall tale speech. My advice to all of you, have all these details, but have yourself inside that story, regardless to like if it needs to be perfect or not.